Hi everyone, Tridib here from TGT and welcome to another video. Today Apple released iOS 15.1 Beta 2. Apple released this second beta just a week after releasing the iOS 15.1 Beta 1. Right now only developer beta is available, public beta should be out soon. This update came in around 765.5 MB on my iPhone SE second generation. Apart from that, I have also updated my iPhone XR and my iPad 6th generation as well, because with this Apple also released iPadOS 15.1 Beta 2, watchOS 8.1 Beta 2 and Apple tvOS 15.1 Beta 2. Let's check the new build number. As you can see, the new build number is 19B5052F. This update does not have any new modem firmware update, so if you are having any network or connectivity issues, this is not going to help. According to Apple, this update comes with some major bug fixes and resolved issues. And the first thing I should mention, for iPhone 13, the unlock with Apple Watch while wearing a mask is working again. Apple did acknowledge that this was broken for iPhone 13 models when it launched with iOS 15. After this update, that is working again. But you should update your watch to watchOS 8.1 Beta 2 as well. The second thing Apple solved is a known issue for App Store, where some users were getting an error message while carrying out some transactions. Even though the transaction was finished, they were getting a verified transaction message. This is now solved. Apple also solved a known issue related to the Apple Home app, where Matter accessory notifications don't work properly. As a workaround, Apple concludes to relaunch the Home app to force a refresh of the Matter accessory state. Within the accessibility and then voiceover, there was a known issue where users might not be able to activate alarms in the Clock app. This is now solved. There are some resolved issues for Safari as well, where multiple taps were required to close the sidebar. Apart from that, there are some resolved issues related to the Swift UI as well. Apart from the fixes, this version also has some bugs. For some, the storage bug is still there. If you go to the storage here and check for the storage size, wait for it to load. For some new iPhones, the storage used is showing as 0 KB. This iPhone SE second generation don't have that issue though, but for some it's there, and this is continuing from beta 1. Also, according to some reports, the green tint issue is there as well. Performance wise, I haven't noticed any change in this device from iOS 15.1 beta 1. This is not my main device and I use this as my secondary iPhone, but it runs smooth enough. The battery life should remain same as well. Although with iOS 15, the iPhone SE 2 battery life is average. I get around 5 hours screen on time in this device. I have also updated my iPhone XR in this version as well. I have not seen any changes in performance right away. It is running as smooth as it was on iOS 15.1 beta 1. The overall scrolling, the app opening and closing is up to the mark as it should be. Also, I am running iPadOS 15.1 Beta 2 in this iPad 6th generation. All the updates and patches that I mentioned previously are applicable for this device also. But this update have some resolved issues for the iPads as well. On iPad mini 6th generations, websites now load with the iPad mobile user agent by default to improve the text legibility. Users can customize these settings by website in the page format menu or globally through settings, then Safari, then request desktop site, and then turn on the all websites option. This update also resolved an issue where apps may become unresponsive after using the iPad pointer. Even though this is an old iPad, it's running nice and smooth and is very much usable even today. The battery life I get out of this device is absolutely fantastic, and this update should keep that going. Now, if you are interested about the benchmark score, here it is for the iPhone SE 2. It's 1331 for the single core and 3094 for the multi-core. So the multi-core score has improved a bit after the beta 2 update. Finally, as per my advice, if you have a spare or a secondary iPhone or iPad, then you can try this beta too. I shall still insist you not to install it in your primary device. For iPhone 13 users, I think iOS 15.0.1 will come soon with the unlock with Apple Watch bug fix. So stay tuned. That's it. Thanks for watching till the end. Do hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.